Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I have a Supor rice cooker that won't turn on. No display, nothing on the front panel. When I plug it in, I can hear a humming sound, but the screen stays dead. After checking the main circuit board, I found that the voltage levels were perfectly normal, which led me to suspect the wiring. Once I opened the top cover, the culprit was revealed, a broken wire hidden inside the hinge area. In this video, I'll show you how to trace this fault, reconnect the line, and get this cooker back to cooking. Let's fix it.